Hey guys, I wanted to take a little bit of time while we were here at NACE to talk with the National Autobody Council about all the initiatives that they had, but really in particular, they've launched a new one over the last couple of weeks. You've probably seen the press releases on Operation Comfort. Chuck, thanks for taking some time with me to talk about it. Tell us a little bit more about Operation Comfort and what the National Autobody Council is going to help this organization do.
Well, one of the things that Operation Comfort does is they have a program called Automotovation, and the Automotovation program is designed to help get the men and women who have had a disability by being in the service from Brooke Army Medical Center, get them help to get trained back in the collision industry and back in the automotive industry. So they have lost their building that they were in that was given to them, and so we figured that, hey, what they really need to do is have a building of their own, and so what we're going to do is raise the funds. We need to raise about $1.5 million for the building as well as renovations and remodeling. And so we've started a little program, Give Back to those who had our back, and the goal here is to, if we could get every employee to donate $100, I mean, when you think about it, what they did, what they gave up for us while we were sitting home working, making funds, making money and enjoying life, that's a small payment.
It is. What I like to think about it is you have a group of guys and girls that did what we couldn't do we couldn't go over there and fight. We couldn't do a lot of it. And now that they're back, they want to do what we do. So I find it humbling to think that these guys want to be in our industry. They want to learn our craft. And it's the simplest thing in the world that we can do for them. Now, we're not all going to be able to give thousands and thousands of dollars, but just $100, that's just like pennies a day, really, in the end of it, if we think about it over the course of the year, and make that donation and help them find a building so that they can get better, and hopefully maybe one day they'll be working beside us in the shop.
Well, that's the goal, and they've already got a couple of vehicles that they've either built or remodeled. And our feeling is that, okay, while doing a restoration is important and it's good, certainly from a mental health point of view, the thing is, if they're getting into our industry, they need to have the proper training of today's automobile. And so what we're looking at is getting using ICAR training, the ICAR curriculum, which has been donated to us by ICAR. And we're also getting other companies that are stepping on board and making some major donations, and we'll be looking at providing not only the ICAR curriculum, which is used in the vocational schools, but also the ICAR classes to continue the education as we go. And we will be having hopefully some graduates soon.
Well, we're just excited to see it go. Now, we've got a lot of companies that are getting behind this program. Operation Comfort, you met some of the soldiers last year at SEMA. We don't want this to be a corporate thing. We want this to be a grassroots involvement from the industry. These are individuals looking for other individuals to chip in. I want to see painters and technicians and details and bodymen and estimators and everybody supporting this organization, just giving the little that you can to show them that you appreciate what they gave and that you're looking forward to them joining us in this industry. They had our back, and I think it's time that we give back to them a little bit, just like the campaign says. So visit the website for the National Autobody Council, learn more about the program, and get those donations coming in. And be sure and check with me at SEMA, because I'm going to have a few more of the guys on the program. You're going to meet some of the soldiers, and we're going to be talking more about Operation Comfort over the next year. Thanks.